Welcome to Ikigai Meditations. Find a quiet, comfortable position where you can sit or lie down and won't be disturbed. Start by closing your eyes and taking 3 deep cleansing breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more deep inhale and a gentle exhale. Bring your awareness to your gallbladder, located in the upper right part of your abdomen, just beneath your ribcage. Your gallbladder helps your body digest fats and absorb important nutrients. As you breathe in, imagine a warm, soft, calming white light surrounding your gallbladder. Feel its gentle warmth going deeper and deeper into the organ, soothing any tension or discomfort. Visualize the walls of your gallbladder becoming smooth and relaxed, free from any tightness or constriction. With each breath, allow this beautiful warm light to flow deeper into your gallbladder. Visualize it as a gentle stream washing away stagnant or negative energy that may still be sitting in this area. Feel a sense of ease and openness spreading through this area as you exhale. Your gallbladder is now glowing with pure white light and thanks you for your undivided attention during this meditation. Continue to breathe deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each inhale, send gratitude to your gallbladder for its quiet yet essential work. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you feel the need to take care for this vital organ within you. In your own time, you can slowly start to come back into the room. Take a deep stretch if you want. And whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling relaxed and calm.